Chapter 5. Using a mouse. Computer mouse children. In the previous chapter, you have read that a computer has 4 important parts. These parts together make the computer work. A mouse is one of the important parts of a computer. A computer mouse is a pointing device that is used to point on the computer screen. Mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is a small arrow that appears on your computer screen. When you move a mouse, a small arrow moves on the screen. This small arrow is called the mouse pointer or cursor. It helps to move around the computer. Inventor's Corner. The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in the 1960s. Fact bit. The mouse is also called as the pointing device. Parts of a computer mouse. A mouse has 3 parts. A mouse has 2 buttons on it, left and right. In between these buttons, there is a scroll wheel. Wired mouse. A wired mouse with a long wire is connected to the computer. Wireless mouse. A wireless mouse has no wire. It connects to the computer with a small device. Uses of a mouse. A computer mouse helps us to point and select items on the monitor, move the cursor on the monitor, draw pictures, play games. Mouse pad. A mouse pad is a flat, smooth surface where you put your mouse. Working with mouse buttons. Let us learn about the different actions of mouse buttons. Left mouse button. Click, single click. When you press the left button of the mouse once and release it, it is called a click or single click. You use a click to select or choose something on the computer. Click, click. When you press and release the left button twice quickly, it is called a double click. You use a double click to open a program or a file. Right mouse button. When you press the right button once and release it, it is called a right click. A right click shows a list of commands or options for the thing you selected. Fact bit. The touchpad on a laptop does the same job as the mouse on a computer. Scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is the round part in the middle of the mouse. It helps you move up and down on a page or document. Click and drag. When you press the left button and hold it down, then move the mouse, it is called click and drag. You use click and drag to move items on the screen. Tech alert. Many modern mouse come with colorful lights and extra buttons that can make gaming and working easier. Chapter highlights. A mouse is one of the important parts of the computer. A mouse has 2 buttons on it, left and right. There is a scroll wheel in between the left and right buttons. Whenever you move the mouse, an arrow called a cursor moves on the computer screen. Mouse pad is a thin, flat and smooth piece of material on which a mouse is placed and moved. A mouse is used to point at an item on the screen. A mouse has a scroll wheel in the center. A mouse can perform click, double click, right click, drag and drop.